afternoon, everyone. This is Diane Murray at Southern Art Gallery, and today we are looking at the Paint and Share. This is a sample set that was sent to me by Qor, and it has 6 colors on it. We'll go through those as we go along. First thing I'm going to do is to wet the little samples. Let's straighten this board out so they don't run all over the place. Okay, and as many of you know, I really like Qor. I think Qor is a nice brand of paint. I like the vibrancy of their colors, and I like how well they move around the paper. Anyway, first color, and these are some colors I don't have on my palette, so I thought you guys might enjoy seeing them. This is their version of Indan Throne Blue. It is PB60. It is semi-transparent, according to this, and staining. And I don't think they tell you, okay, and not granulating, okay? The next color, and this is just a quick little video here. This is benzemida yellow. Say that a few times. It's actually just PY 154, and that is my ink smearing there. This is a lovely mid-tone yellow. It is transparent and semi-staining. The next one is Permanent Green Light. And these little sample cards, they will send to you if you just go on their website. It's a nice, bright, vivid green. It's made with PG7 and PY3. The yellow was PY 154, and it looks a little dirty because of my ink, so we'll do that again. And of course, the Indan Throne Blue is a PB60. The next one is Mars Orange, which is actually PR 101, which is that pigment that we all know so well. So many colors are made from this pigment. Now this is much more orange than this pigment usually is. It is opaque and it is staining, according to this. Nice color though. The next one is quinacridone red. Very common color, PV19. One of my favorite cool reds, and it is transparent and staining. And the last color is manganese blue. They don't say that it's a hue, but it is a hue because it's not made, you can hardly find the real manganese blue anymore, and I'm sorry my ink is spreading. I don't know why it's doing that. It usually doesn't do that. But anyway, it's made from PG7, which is phthalo green, and PB15:3, which is phthalo blue. So you can easily make that yourself. Actually, we do make this all the time, this color, so there you have it. There are the colors from the sample set. Would I purchase any of these? No, I don't think so, because I have colors that are all similar on my palette. But if you're in need of a nice dark blue or a nice mid yellow, I would never use that green. I would not use the orange because it's too opaque. And this is just a Quin red. If you need a Quin red, that's a fine one. The manganese blue hue I would just make myself. So there you have it. There's the Qor little sample palette. They also included in this little set, and I don't exactly know the purpose of this, but they gave 3 little watercolor, they call them artist trading cards. They're little pieces of watercolor cut up, which is kind of nice. And they also included a nice color chart of all their colors, which you can see here. And they do have some really lovely colors, and many of the Qor paints are on my permanent palette. So I hope you enjoyed this, and if you're looking for a paint brand, give Qor a try. They're lovely paints. They're very light fast, and they're easy to work with. Thanks for watching.